Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video on how to assemble the LingPo 2x2. I actually get a lot of questions each time a 2x2 comes out on how to assemble it, so I'm just going to start making one every time one comes out so that I can just send them this link. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First things first is the core locking pieces is different from the Dion. Now it's built into the centerpiece, so there's 3 of them. If you can see it right here, there's one here, and then there's a double one right here, and then another single one, and they all have to be adjacent to each other, obviously, so that they lock into place. So these are your anchor pieces, so make sure when you screw them in together that they're all adjacent, and it's pretty self-explanatory on how they lock together. So let's just get right into the assembly here. So once you've got this, you're just going to drop a corner in there. You're going to take an edge piece. You're just going to put that right in there. Grab another edge piece. You're just going to slide it in there, just like a 3x3. Grab another corner, drop it in there. Take another edge piece, drop it in. If I can... This actually, the pieces on this are actually kind of, they're a bit harder to get in than like a Dion, but I mean, it's not super hard, it just takes a bit more effort. Grab another corner here, I'll bring a bunch of pieces over here, drop another edge in. I think you guys get the idea. I mean, it's really just like a 3x3. The ending is going to be a little different though, because it's just a little bit different. I'm actually going to put a little bit of lube in here really quick. This is the first time I've assembled or disassembled it, so I'm lubing this as I do this. So yeah, so next we're going to take an edge piece here. This is where it starts to get a little bit more difficult because the edge pieces, like if you just saw that it likes to sink into the cube. So here's another one, drop another edge piece in, corner, drop another edge in here. And then at this point, if this wants to work how it did the first time, you're going to take a corner piece, you're going to put it in, take the edge piece. The edge piece is going to be a little bit tricky to get in, but I mean, you just kind of fiddle with it. Kind of just have to push on it. You might even have to loosen your cube. Your cube might be too tight. Mine might be too tight right now. Okay, I guess I got it in. And then what you're going to do is if you try and take this corner piece, like the base is really big, so when you push in, what happens is, if I can do it here, all it does is it just pushes the like this edge piece in there, and it just kind of gets stuck. I actually might have regret doing that. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that's why you can't do that. What you got to do is you have to twist it 45 degrees so that it's lined up with the centerpiece here, and then you're going to try and spread the pieces a little bit, and then get the corner in that way. So that way the edge pieces aren't trying to sink in. And if it goes like it did the first time, this shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah, okay, see, it just went right in. But the first time I did that, it was really difficult. Like, I was just trying to put it in the normal way. So, yeah, this is how you're going to want to assemble that last piece. And then if you guys are curious how I'm going to lube my cube, because somebody always asks, I'm going to use Traxxas 50K and Factory Team 30K. This cube is pretty fast, so I'm thinking I'm going to put the 30K in first and then break it in. And how I do that with 30K is I just take a corner out and then put it all around the inside and like the edge pieces, then put it back in and then break it in for a while. And then eventually I just start using 50K. So yeah, that's how I assemble my cube and a little bit on how I lube it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.